let's head out to a new spot today. First of all, we're going to go out here to the boat ramp, and then we're going to go out here to the meat market, guys. So let's get it going, guys. You guys ready? You ready, baby?
Yeah.
I'm ready too, guys. I am so ready. Let's get going.
Ready.
All right. I'll turn you guys back on as soon as we're there. Well, hello. Welcome back to all my beauties and my cuties to another Mary D and Almond's Life Adventures. Today, guys, we're going to check out what somebody left here. And let's see what they left, guys. And it looks like a washing machine. Wow.
It's pretty old.
Right? It does, doesn't it? Look at this, guys. A washing machine. Wow. All right then. Okay, it's a little Maytag. Wow. All right. Awesome. All right, let's go look over here, guys. We just decided to come over here before we went to the meat market, so just to take a look around. What is that? Oh. Guys, look at this nasty butt people. Oh, gee. Look, here's some cans, guys. There we got some cans.
It's almost on the party.
Right? Heck yeah, more cans over here. Wow, it is low, ain't it, baby?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, guys. We're just sitting here, guys, drinking. Just kidding, guys. Drink it off camera. There you go. That's why I always say I'm always drunk, guys. I think I literally am. I just don't remember. There you go. All right, guys, let's go over here. Ooh, a big step. Gotta go around, guys. Big old step over here. I'm surprised there's nobody out here. Look at this, guys. There is nobody out here today. Right. Exactly. Thank you, babe. Appreciate you. All right, guys. This used to be the boat ramp right here. All right. Bunch of junk over there. Wow, that is low, guys. You can see all the way to the bottom. Oh my goodness. Wow, that is not deep at all. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys.
Crazy, crazy.
Yes, yes. You literally can walk into it and still have touch the bottom.
Used to be deep.
Yeah, real deep. Remember, it used to be like way up here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Bring in the boats right here, guys. All right. See what else we can see, guys. Big hole right there. Oh my goodness, it's so low. Wow.
What was the fishing net down there?
Fishing net? Oh yeah. Huh.
That's in a long time ago.
Right? That's so true, so true. Look how low that is, guys. That is so low. Oh my goodness. Oh, there comes a car, guys. One car. Looks like somebody had a fire right here. Oops. Gotta watch my car, guys. I left my keys up in there. Alright, you want to take the camera down there, baby, and take a look? And
Cat over there. It's cold. That thing don't fell down over there. I don't know if you see it. There you go. The hill. Put it back down real quick. Alright. It's got dark. There you go. Look at the old bridge.
oh yeah, guys, look at the bridge over there. That's an old timey bridge. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look here, guys. Somebody built another fire pit.
I suppose ashes in the way.
I know, right? Exactly. Guys, I had to move my car over here because there was another car parked over there. So. I just can't get over how little this river is. Oh my goodness.
Used to be flooded.
Yes, yes. I remember one time, guys, it flooded over here, and I swear the water was way, way, way over there. And this river was so full. Oh my goodness. Absolutely full. That's a cute house over there. So, yes, guys, look at the roots. Little heart in the tree. That's cute. Well, all right, guys. All right, guys. Let's go out to the meat market and see what we can find. If it's crowded, guys, I'm not going to be able to film, so. Let's see what's up. It's getting dark, guys. It's getting real dark. Alright, guys. I hope this place is still open. Yes, I think it is, guys. I think it is. There we have it, guys. Granzine Meat Market. Can I go and get a count of the hamburgers, please? You want sausage? Oh, and also, thank you. Can I go and get, let me go and get this bag of sausage right here. Yes. Oh, okay. Let me go and get 2 pounds. Yes, sir. Please. And then 2 pounds of the regular bacon. Do you want the long sausage?
This guy, whoever Eddie's on it, yeah.
Well, all right, my beauties and my cuties. Welcome back. We just got back, guys. It is now dark. Thank you, Jesus. We made it. So, all right, guys. The first thing that we got is, let me see, guys. Let me see. Breakfast links. We got some ground chuck. Also, we got some hickory smoked bacon. We also got a dry sausage. I asked them guys if they had any softer dry sausage because I love their dry sausage. They said no, that they were all pretty hard. So, and then I got some hamburger patties, guys. And also we got some stew meat, which was $28.87. But I tell you guys, this will last a while. Anyway, guys, this is what all we got. Oh, and we did get 2 lemons, guys. So this is what we got, guys, from the Granzine Meat Market. So, alright, guys. See you guys later. Be sure to, and you heard the man, guys. Alright, guys. Until the next video, we'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.